From Softbank spooking investors to OpenAI landing in hot water, this is AI Weekly. Softbank's spending for its so-called all-in bet on ChatGPT maker OpenAI and other investments concerned markets. Shares slid by a tenth after the Japanese investment giant sold $5.8 billion of its Nvidia stake. Market watchers saw that as a sign of a growing funding demand. The stock drop came despite second quarter profit doubling, largely thanks to the Sam Altman-led OpenAI's rising valuation. OpenAI was itself in hot water in Germany. A court found it broke the country's copyright laws by reproducing lyrics from songs by best-selling musician Herbert Grönemeyer and others. The case, which was closely watched, was over the US firm's use of lyrics to train its language models. A judge ordered OpenAI to pay damages for the use of copyrighted material without disclosing a figure. Kai Velp is a lawyer for German music rights society Gamer who brought the case.
We assume that the legal dispute is not over yet, but that the case will be appealed. But we do hope, of course, that this will also send a signal regarding the legal situation in Europe, that the big technology companies will now also enter into license negotiations.
Foxconn smashed past forecasts with a 17% rise in third quarter profit. The number was driven by continued strength in demand for AI servers. The Taiwanese firm is the world's largest contract electronics maker and supplies heavyweights like Nvidia and Apple. Looking ahead, Foxconn believes the AI boom will help push yet more revenue growth in the fourth quarter. Meta's chief AI scientist plans to leave the social media giant to launch his own startup. That's according to a report in Britain's Financial Times. It said deep learning pioneer Yann LeCun plans to depart for his own startup. It further reported LeCun is in early talks to raise funds for a new venture. And Intel saw its own big departure as the firm's chief technology officer left for OpenAI. Sachin Katti has led the US chipmaker's AI efforts since around the start of the year. OpenAI said Katti will design and build the company's compute infrastructure, which will power its research into artificial general intelligence. Intel said its CEO Lip-Bu Tan would now oversee its AI efforts.